We're going to have a look at an animated maths vocabulary list from A to Z for our younger students, probably about K to 2 or K to 3. So we'll run through all of the examples first. I will show you how to create 3 of the examples, how to export them as a movie and record them into clips, or you could even record them into iMovie. Now to do this, we're animating the definition of the word to explain the word or to explain the definition of the word, which might seem a little bit strange, but using some typography and some simple animation effects in Keynote, we can explain what each of these math terms means. So for example, for the word cut, we cut the word in half. A simple visual to help students quickly understand what this word means. I've also created ones that have the definition underneath. I have created this Keynote on my MacBook, but you can also create it on your iPad. I'm using my iPad to show you the demo. I'll take you through how to create 3 different ones. Tap plus and choose a blank slide.
Tap plus.
Go to shapes and choose a square. Paintbrush and color your shape, and then take the opacity down. Tap plus, text, and type the word cut. Double tap to select with your grab handles, paintbrush, and type in a large size for the font. Change the color to black, and if it's still not large enough, change the size. Change the font style. I chose American typewriter. And make this bold. Then take a screenshot and crop just around the word. Tap done and save to photos. Tap on the text and delete. Tap plus, media, photo or video, and choose the word. Drag out to resize. Double tap on the word and drag the bottom grab handle to mask half of the word. Tap on your word again. Tap copy, tap on your screen again and choose paste. Double tap and mask the other half of the word. You might need to do a little bit of trial and error to make sure it fits together correctly. Tap on plus and go to shapes and choose a line. Drag your line about where you think the cut is. Tap on the paintbrush, choose the dotted line for the style, change the width and the color. Now all we need to do is animate. Tap on the line, tap on animate, choose add built-in and choose line draw. Now tap on the bottom of cut and choose add build out and choose pivot. Tap on build order, tap on pivot at the bottom to change the direction. And it looks like it's falling away. In your build order, tap on line, tap after transition. In your build order, tap on 2, which is the bottom of the word cut, and choose after build 1. So the line will draw across and then the bottom will fall off like it's being cut in half. Tap play to test. Okay, let's try another one like the word divide. In the bottom left-hand corner, choose plus and choose a blank slide. Tap on plus, shapes, and choose a square. Resize the square to be the size of the slide. And recolor. Drag your opacity down a little bit. Tap on plus, choose text, and I'm going to type in the letters D, I, V. Double tap to select with my grab handles. Tap on paintbrush in the top right hand corner change my text, change the size of my text, and the colour. Tap on my text box and choose Copy. Tap on my screen and choose Paste. Double tap to select and type in IDE. I'll move my text into a better position. And now we're going to use a simple move animate to move the div to the left and the IDE to the right. Tap on my text box and choose Animate. Add action and create path. In the bottom middle, choose on the straight line or the jagged line so that your path does not curve. Tap on the IDE and choose Add Action, Create Path, and drag to the right. Tap on the build order in the top right hand corner. Tap on number 1 and at the bottom choose After Transition. Tap on number 2 and choose with build 1 so both animations play together. Tap play to test. If you need to slow this down, tap on motion path in the bottom middle and change the duration by sliding your finger along the duration. Let's have a look at making the word under. Instead of adding a new slide and adding a box and colouring it and adding a text box and changing the size and the colour in the text box, if we tap on one of the slides we've already made and duplicate that, then we can just use some of the formatting on there and change just small bits around to save us some time. Let's tap on the example divide. Tap on the slide and choose duplicate. Double tap on the text box and type in U. Double tap on the other text box and type in the rest of under. I'll change the colour of my background. Tap on the word U and tap animate. At the moment it still has a motion path and I need a motion path for the U anyway. I'm going to tap on motion path and choose redraw path. Make sure I have my straight line path selected. Drag my U down and let go. Drag the U to the right hand side underneath the letters N, D, E, R. Tap done. Tap on the build order in the top right hand corner and I'm going to remove number 2 motion path by tapping on select and trash can. Tap play to test. If you want to add a little bit more detail for students, you can also add in the definition. To put in the definition, I've added in a different text box. And for my animation, I've chosen built-in keyboard. In my build order, I have my animation of my word, as well as the animation of the definition playing at the same time. This Keynote is a custom dimension that matches clips, so you can export each of these slides as a movie and then airdrop them out to students to record into clips or into iMovie, or you can record these into clips for students and explain the definition of each one. Let's export one of these and then we can record into clips. You can export each slide as its own movie. Tap on the 3 dots or more in the top right hand corner and choose Export. Then choose Movie. Think about what slide you need. Tap on Slide Range and choose the slide you wish to export. This one is 6 to 6. Tap Movie Options and tap Export. Tap on Save Video and it will be exported into your Photos app. Okay, let's open Clips. Tap on plus to create a new Clips project. Tap on the media icon, choose your movie, and hold down the pink button to record while you say the word. Cut. Cut. You could also get students to record this and say the word. You can also record the movie with the definition. If you scrub along the playhead, you can make sure you know what the definition is first before you hold the pink button in to record. Cut. To divide into parts with an edge tool. Cut, to divide into parts with an edge tool.